endless pain. Screams of the innocent, tortured in vain. Eyes full of terror, lies always fed. Feasting on flesh, piles of the dead. Factories of horror, lives in chains. Cattle cries out, suffering remains. Torn from the wild, to cages confined. Heartless brutality, mankind's cry. Rise up, break free, hear their call. End this suffering, end it all. Choose compassion, lay down the knife. Fight with mercy, give them lives. Skies darkened with smoke and despair. Slaughterhouses, tombs of despair. Echoes of agony wail through the night. Awaken to justice, embrace the light. Meadows of greed, untouched by fear. No more bloodshed, no more tears. Empathy's path, we all must tread. Save the souls, don't be misled.